Hey, what's up everybody? V here. So I got this package in the mail today. Tab S7 Plus. So I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. I do have some more content I'd like to shoot, some comparisons to my other tablets that I have, a little bit of drawing, but not in this video. In this video is strictly going to be the unboxing, and we're going to see what's in the box. Give me a moment. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back guys. So we are going to be taking a look at this tablet. I've been wanting this for a while. I've never had the S line of tablets. I have the A10.1, A10.5. I know it gets really confusing. I need to quit it with these names already. So here we go. Set that to the side. Check out what's in the box. So here, got our SIM ejection tool. What else we got here? Little guides and stuff. I will look at those later on. Charging brick. What do we have here? Oh, okay. All right. A charge cable. Thought those were headphones for a second, but Samsung doesn't do that anymore. And we have the S Pen. Oh, it's nice. Feels light. The tip there. All right. Just want to set all this to the side and take a look at the tablet. Here we are. Nice wrapping. You know, as always with Samsung, they have some nice wrapping for their products. Let me open this thing. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Little cloth, recyclable. All right. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Look at that. Got your cameras there. Quad speakers. One there. Two on either side. Oh, wow. Like your attachment for the keyboard. I did not get that. That thing is really expensive. Let's see, let's check this out here. So we got the magnet for the S Pen. Here we go. It's pretty. Stays on there pretty good. Let's go ahead and turn it on. The power button, volume rockers there. Whew, man. Beautiful. Nice, and this does have the bigger display than the Tab S7. You know, I started to go with the Plus, and then I was seeing that it had the LCD screen instead of the OLED. I'm like, nah, I better go ahead and get this. So just give me a second. I'm going to get this set up, and we'll take a look at the screen, and then we'll wrap it up. Be right back. All right, everybody, I'm back with you here. So they get a chance to set everything up on this. So I'm going to just do a quick little run through this. It is really nice. I mean, it is quick and responsive. So we're going to let's take a look at a couple of settings here. So we've got your connections, notifications, display brightness. So this looks really bright right now, and it's not even on the brightest. So if I tune this up a little bit, which is how I love to have it, I mean, it just looks amazing. Got dark mode. Let's tone it down a little bit here. Motion smoothness, blue light filter, reduces strain on the eyes. Vivid screen mode, what we got? So you go a little warmer, or you can go cooler on that, or natural. You know, Samsung always likes to pump up saturation on these. So screen zoom, font size. So you can mess with the font size. You see that there. Let's see, screen timeout size, 30 seconds. Customize your home screen. Let's see, got all those there. Home screen layout. Swipe down for notification panels. I'm not going to go over all these. So you got your screensaver, video enhancer. Wow. So like I said, I'm not going to go over everything on here, but that's about the gist of it. It is very responsive. And let me see something real quick. Let's check out the S Pen while we're at it. There. So let me see here. Back. There we go. And you can type it if you want, but we want to see the S Pen in action here. What's going on? Oh, here we go. Oh wow, he's now with the sound. Here, let me bring it up. Can you hear that? There we go. It's pretty responsive. Wow. Wow. And so it seems like when you get lighter, if I press a little harder and go a little lighter, you get the different lines. Just amazing. So I'm going to be doing some drawing on this actually later on another video. So that is it. That is the Tab S7 Plus Samsung. Again, I'll have some more content coming on this soon. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe below. This is V. I'm out.